record run attempt. I have to say that's the fastest I've ever seen that car go. What did it do, mile an hour? They definitely turned it up. Mile an hour coming up. 257.58 miles an hour. They just gained almost 3 miles an hour on that run. I have to say that's the fastest I've ever seen. Here we go. We got Chadbee and Coy Christmas. Chadbee in the R8. UGR in the house. Chadbee's in it to win it. What's he going to do? Mile an hour. Coy, no joke either. What are we going to do? Mile an hour. UGR 229 for Chadbee, 234.99 for Coy. What do you think about that? He's in it. What's it, mile an hour? He's in the power. That looks bad fast. What's it going to do, mile an hour? 254.96 miles an hour. That's a 3 mile an hour increase from last time, and that's just a few miles an hour off the record that they own. What do you think about that? Woo!
That's fast.
He's going for 200 miles an hour, is my understanding. "18 years old. Gotta be one of the luckiest 18-year-olds old around, huh? That look good. What's the mile an hour going to be? Waiting for the mile an hour right here coming up. That was Coy Boy Jr. right there. 200.00 miles an hour. Listen, what's he going to do? Go, Jetty, go! Oh, he's definitely in the power. Look at that thing get squirrely. Looks like he got out of it there. Not sure what happened. Saw something would appear to have come off that car. Probably going to want to get that looked at. There's Coy Christmas. UGR, what's that going to be mile an hour? Told you all the fast ones are going to start coming out. Mile an hour coming up. 243.51 miles an hour for Coy Christmas in the UGR built Huracan. Definitely alerted fire and safety. Here comes Chadbee. What's he going to do mile an hour? That looked wicked fast. Did he do it? It's got to be right there. There you go. 250.00 miles an hour. So far, been a best. 2027. Let's see if we can better that. It looked plenty fast to me. 201.70. A little bit of a tailwind. He's in it. He's in the power. Shooting flames. What's it going to do mile an hour? Wow. What did it do mile an hour? 249.72 miles an hour for Coy Christmas.